So, you're sitting there staring at your screen thinking, I want to learn coding or break into IT, but where do I start? Maybe you've Googled a million things, JavaScript, Python, networking, DevOps, and you feel like you're drowning in endless options. It's confusing, right? Been there. But what if I told you there's a map, a clear, detailed guide that shows you exactly where to start and where to go, no matter what IT field you want to get into? Well, that's where roadmap.sh comes in. It's like a treasure map for your IT career. Want to become a front-end developer? There's a roadmap for that. Want to dive into DevOps or blockchain? There's one for that too. And the best part? It's not just about telling you what to learn. It gives you free resources, open source tools, and even GitHub repos to dive into. You're not just reading theory, you're coding, testing, and applying it all as you go. Since I started using roadmap.sh, I've made huge progress. I know exactly what I need to focus on, and I'm not wasting time bouncing between unrelated tutorials. It's like having a personal mentor showing you the path from beginner to expert, one step at a time. And the best part? It's completely free. If you're feeling lost in your learning journey or just want a clear path to follow, I highly recommend checking out roadmap.sh. Head over to roadmap.sh and take the first step toward your IT career today. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who are on the same journey.